Hello guys, welcome to the Roots of Unity. I'm Ittehad again, and this time I'm going to introduce you all with coordinate geometry. You can guess by the name that this chapter deals with coordinates. I'll start this video off with a very simple thing. How can we find the distance between 2 points? We all know that a point is usually expressed using coordinates x, y, where x represents the x coordinates and y represents the y coordinates of the point. Let us take two similar points A and B with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. The line connecting the points is AB. Let us draw a right angle triangle using AB to be the hypotenuse. Let us name the point making the right angle to be C. From here, we can say that the coordinates of C is x2, y1. Since the x coordinate is the same as B and the y coordinate is the same as that of A. From here, we can say that AC is equals to x2 minus x1, since y is unchanged in this line, and BC is equals to y2 minus y1, since the value of x is unchanged in this line. Since it is a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square. Here we already know the values of BC and AC. We can put the values of BC and AC in the equation and then square root the equation to make AB the subject. Hence, we can deduce that the distance between 2 points can be found using the formula distance AB is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us check out an example very quickly. 2 points are given, 4, 6 and 1, 2. We are told to find the distance between these 2 points. We already know the formula. We'll take 4, 6 to be A and 1, 2 to be B. Now we know that AB is equals to root over 4 minus 1 whole square, since it is x2 minus x1 whole square, plus 6 minus 2 whole square, since it is y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, if we simplify further, we'll find that AB is equals to 5 units. Now, let us move on to the next part of our chapter. How do we find the midpoint between 2 points? Let us take 2 points A and B with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. Here, M is equidistant from both A and B. So we can say that the x coordinate of M is also equidistant from the x coordinate of A and B, and the y coordinate of M is equidistant from the y coordinate of A and B. Therefore, we can say that the x coordinate of the midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the y coordinate of the midpoint is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now let's check out an example. We need to find the midpoint of the line with starting and ending points 1, 2 and 3, 4 respectively. Here we know that the midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 1 plus 3 by 2 and 2 plus 4 by 2. Therefore, the coordinates of the midpoint comes 2, 3. Now let us see what does the gradient mean. The gradient of a line means how much steep a line is. The gradient is the ratio of the change in y to the corresponding change in x. Therefore, if we take 2 points A and B again, we can see that the change in y, which is y2 minus y1, and the change in x is x2 minus x1. The ratio of this is the gradient. We can also say that tan theta is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 using simple trigonometry, where tan theta is equals to opposite divided by adjacent. Therefore, we can also say that gradient is equals to tan theta, where theta is the angle with the horizontal. Now let's check out an example. Let's find the gradient of the line passing through the points 3, 5 and 19, 13. The gradient means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 is 13 minus 5, which is 8, and x2 minus x1 is 19 minus 3, which is 16. Therefore, the gradient comes 1 by 2 or half. That was all for this video. Stay tuned for the next part of coordinate geometry.